Hey guys, RSO both here, and as you can tell already probably by the title of this video, I dropped my bike pretty recently, and it actually happened just around this roundabout, but just on the other side on the way home from work at like 2 AM in the morning or something. Hello there. Yeah, I'm fine. It just went down around the roundabout. It just went down, and I was going really slowly as well, but it must have just been because it just rained for a little bit. Sorry?
We thought the ute might have got a bit close to you.
Oh, yeah, I saw you chase him. I was like, wait, I thought you would stop for me, you know?
That's why we thought, when I thought the ute had tapped you, because he was a little bit close to you in the last roundabout.
Oh, was he?
That's why I turned around.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
So I thought he might have accidentally tapped you and then kept going. So
Oh, no.
I got in first and thought you were
Nah, thanks.
Right,
No, I'm fine.
mate.
Thanks. Thanks, guys. Alright. I will, definitely now. See ya. Oh no. Alright guys, I cannot believe what just happened. That is how bad roundabouts are, even at slow speeds like you guys just saw, when it's greasy and oily like these roundabouts down to Century Cove are known for. So what just happened was the cops thought that the guy in the ute who stopped and asked if I was alright came close to me and hit me, pretty much. That's what they thought. Obviously that didn't happen. It's my own fault and conditions. Was not expecting to be that slippery at all. Alright guys, so here we have the damage that occurred from my little fall. Start from the back. So we got a couple of scratches on this, both sides. It's just when it hit the gutter. Exhaust scraped up a little bit, but it's just plastic cover, so it's easy to replace that. Bit of a scratch on there. Tank, engine, everything's perfect. Little scratches there. Scratches, that's all scratched up. Scratches there, and on the, that's a bit of a crack crack down there. That's scratched up, that's scratched up, and the mirror. But that's honestly the only things that are wrong with the bike after that fall. But they're still riding it off, so oh well. I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on.